Good morning. This is my market analysis for 16th of June 2026, and it's Tuesday today. DXY, the dollar index sweep this weak swing and it gave a reaction from it, but I do not see any continuation of this reaction. It means if it sweep this swing and also this high, I was expecting price to go much lower, but I see prices reacting for one candle and then for 2 days it's giving bullish candles. So what I see is this big swing and this sweep do not matter, and this swing will matter for now. Also, what I see is we are in an FPG and sweep this. We sweep this low and also making a C2, bullish C2. So for today, I am bullish on DXY and I'm expecting price to at least reach this and then eventually reach this. If I look at the weekly chart, I can see that there is this liquidity, there is this high point, and last week was a uh, the last to last week was a bullish. Then we get a FVG, and what I'm expecting if we look at the weekly structure is price to sweep this. There is an FVG. We sweep this and we already getting a C2. So I'm expecting price to move higher to break this and reach here. So which also translates to daily time frame theory. If you look at 4 hour, price refused to go. We open with a gap low, such a gap in the market over the weekend. So with such a gap, it's expected for the price to continue going lower, but we did not. This is also such a big fair value zone that price will try to take out stops here. And if you look at current situation, there is this bullish FPG. We get a C2. I'm expecting price to keep going up. Either we need to look at this area as well, and then eventually reach here. So I'm bullish on DXY. Hmm. So if I'm bullish on DXY, I'm expecting AU, EU, GU, and gold to be bearish, and UCAD and USHF to be bullish. So let's see. If you see at the weekly chart, all the weekly chart is not important to see, but sometimes I refer to it. A bearish candle, FVG, we sweep this high and we continue going low. It's a really common pattern that we see. Also, we are in a bearish trend on weekly. Let's look at daily. Yesterday, I was expecting price to react a C2 here into this FPG, and it's a strong swing. I'm still abide by my theory, but we did not get a bearish C2. So I'm expecting price to give me a C3 today. A C3 will be a close below this, close below open of last day's candle. Or we go up, we sweep this, and we get a C2 today. So either a C2 today or a C3 today, and then can sell to these weak swings. Except for this, there's no bullish situation and there's no bearish situation for now. So today just wait and watch either a C2 or a C3. And then tomorrow we can short it. For EJ, It's just it sweep from strong swing. Since this day, I'm bullish, and we keep going up until we reach weak swing. But there's no FPG, there's no sweep of uh let's say this will be a low, this will be a strong swing as well. So if we come here, sweep this, and then get a C2 or C3, and then we can continue moving to the weak swing. But I do not see any uh, neither an FPG nor a sweep of a strong swing. So I'll wait. Or the best thing is tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we can get a C2, C3 plus FPG here, and then we can see how we can set up a trade. But I'm neutral here. For EU, price is still in a bearish FPG. There's been wick, 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 and a candle too close with a wick. We can see price is struggling to go to the upside, and there's a weak swing open to the downside. That means there's liquidity to the downside. And if my bias is bullish on TXY, it's natural to be bearish on EU. We get a C2 from an FPG. So on daily, I'm bearish on also a sweep of this high, weekly sweep already, and then I'm expecting price to go down because we are making lower low here. So let's look at 4 hour. Yeah, we have a tiny bit of small FPG, and I'm expecting price to sweep this. So if I sweep this and I get a bearish momentum candle, then I can sell it. I need to be careful for this. Let's say it's drawn liquidity, which is also an area on daily 4 hour time frame this. So I need to be careful for this, but it's a good range. So if this candle sweeps and closes bearish, or next candle sweeps and closes bearish, then I can continue looking for sales. Yeah. If you break this, if I get a sell here, I will manage my position here. As soon as we touch this, I'll go break even. And if we come back up, that's fine. I get out of break even. But if we do not, then my targets will be somewhere over here. For GJ, again, the same as EJ. We are in a range. The best trade was here at the strong swing. Same here, the best trade was here at the strong swing. Now we are in a range. Either wait for sweep of this or either wait for sweep of this or this, but not this actually. Now this is a strong swing. Even here, now this will be a strong swing, but let's move this because we have a recent strong swing. So yeah, either this or this. But for today, there's nothing. For we got a C2 yesterday. We can see that there have been wicks to the upside a lot. So that means the price is struggling to go up. But price is not in an FPG, neither at a swing point. So I cannot sell this. But we have EU similar to this. If you get an opportunity, it's better to take EU rather than this because there is no clear structure. So I'll rather wait, price to either get into the strong swing then sell, or we'll see how the structure sets up. But for today, it's just it's just in a range for me. There's no clear structure. You you can. Yesterday we get a C2, but not in an oh we had a tiny bit of FPG. Did I not see it? Ah, I did not. Oh, I missed this FPG actually. There was a tiny bit of FVG and sweep of the low, and then 4 hour we have an FVG and we sweep this and we get a C2 close. So this would have been a good trade in my opinion, but the FVG was so tiny that I end up missing it. Let me replay. Oh yeah, there was an FVG, but I could not see the label. I'll I'll improve my code and make it more visible somewhere over here so we can clearly see. But yeah, that's fine. It was a good trade-off. Yeah. But for today, there's no FVG on yesterday's 4-hour structure. So even if we consider it as a FVG plus C2 sweep, there's no 4-hour bullish structure, 4-hour FVG structure here. So there will be no setup. Yeah. Yesterday I was expecting UCHF to make a C2 here inside the FVG zone, which it did. It's a C2 candle. Let's look at 4-hour. Oh, we don't have any bullish FVG. Yeah, there's no bullish FVG. I cannot. Although the daily structure is good, but 4-hour there is no bullish setup. That confirms that momentum is actually bullish. So it's better to sell EU rather than UCHF. But if let's say today we get a C3 and which will obviously make FVG in 4-hour, then tomorrow we can buy it till these weak swings, and targeting these levels. For QJ now, it's just in a range, up down, up down, up down. Nothing much to do here. Until price takes this swing or this swing, it will be in a range. So we need to wait for a reaction from price to either do any of these. And for gold, I was expecting price to sweep this strong swing and also tap into FPG and give me a C2. But we did not get a bearish C2. Price did not close below this. So today I'm expecting price to again go up, give me a C2 or give me a C3. Then tomorrow I can wait for FPG somewhere over here and then sell to these levels. So bearish in gold, but not today. I need to wait for daily candle to close, either C3 or C2, then can sell. If we tap into FVG, then we can sell. So for today, only I have EU for sells. Rest, although pairs like AU, UCHF, and gold tap into swing, but we did not get a good daily close that could confirm that the trend is actually bearish or bullish in this case. So it's better to wait for today, let the candle form, and then tomorrow we can trade. Um, if I look at daily calendar, there is a JPY BOG conference. It's all day and AUD at 11 and AUD at 10. So in 30 minutes, although we don't have AUD, so we don't need to um, look into news today. But yeah, that's it. Um, I hope you learned something. Thank you. Have a nice day.